Good day in the home, I'm your host, Klavs, and welcome back to Mazda 6. Now it's another DIY video, and this time we're gonna quickly polish up the headlights. And why I'm saying that quickly? Because I'm not using any store-bought kit. I'm not using any kind of professional tools. Actually, I am using professional tools. But that's a tool you could actually buy right now. Take it and do it yourself. Simple as that. Now, what I mean is polishing the headlights. Well, so you can see this headlight looks all kind of nice and lovely, and this looks kind of phased out in yellow, if you can see. See all the yellow, all the scratches, it doesn't look that good, and it feels kind of rough too if you compare it against this one. So you can see there's almost no yellow. And a good example for you, I have a replacement headlight, which video is coming soon. It's heavy. If you look, the difference, this looks yellow, this looks white. See the difference? So I'm gonna show you how to make that headlight look like this. And the only tools I'm gonna use, tool and then thing, is an liquid compound. So this is a cutting paste. I will use a cutting paste and only cutting paste to restore this. If your car is in good condition, you want to mask everything else. You want to mask all of this. All of this you want to mask it. But as I need, most of this car needs to be polished and some things need to be repainted, I won't bother with masking. Buffer or polisher, or how it's called, professional 170mm sander polisher. So I will use these two, and I'll show you how I transform this yellowness into shine and bright. Now you can clearly see where it's polished properly, where it's matte. Here it's still matte, and I'll do this by hand. But this is all good, see, and it's not yellow anymore. Looks beautiful. You can do this by hand too, by the way, you don't need any tools. Now there you go, look at that result. For maximum result, maybe you want to take 1500, 2000 and 3000 to sand this off, to sand off everything what's on top of this. Because there are some things on top of this lens, but I don't really care about them. For me, So you can see the result is speaking for itself. It's not yellow, it's not fuzzy, see? These things you see here, that will sand off. So that's how you can change the look of your car, or the front of the car, with just a little elbow grease, a little cloth, and the polishing paste. You can do it even by hand. You don't need any extra special tools. So if this video was helpful or informative, of course smash the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!